Hello, I'm going to make a quick video here on the limit as x approaches 0 from the right of cotangent of x over ln of x. So just as a quick reminder, the cotangent of x graph looks roughly like this. So that means that as we approach 0 from the positive side, we can see that the numerator here is becoming positive infinity. And if we were to draw a quick sketch of ln of x. ln of x looks like this. And you can see that as we're approaching 0 from the positive side, the denominator is getting close to negative infinity. So we do have an indeterminate form here, which is an infinity over infinity type form, so we can use L'Hopital. So by L'Hopital, this is the same as the limit as x approaches 0 plus of the derivative of cotangent of x, which is a negative cosecant squared of x, over the derivative of ln of x, which is 1 over x. Now, when I did this with a couple pods in class on Tuesday, I ended up trying to do some kind of fancy, I did another L'Hopital essentially, verified that it was still indeterminate, and that was not the best route to take. It wasn't until near the end that I was able to figure out that there's a much smarter way that we could have dealt with this, which would be like changing this expression into the limit as x goes towards 0 plus, treating the cosecant as a 1 over sine squared, so negative 1 over sine squared, and then remembering that dividing by 1 over x is the same as multiplying by x. So now this is the same expression with a little bit of manipulation, algebraic manipulation. And in fact, I'm going to manipulate it just a little bit more and say this is the same as the limit as x approaches 0 plus of negative x over sine x multiplied by 1 over sine x. And the reason why this is so useful to us is because now the x over sine x as x goes towards 0 is of course 1. The 1 over sine x, well, as x goes towards 0, this is going to be getting close to sine of 0 gets close to 0, and it's coming from the right-hand side. So this will go towards positive infinity. And then we still have this negative sign out in front, and therefore the final result for this problem was actually just a negative infinity. But a little bit of strategic manipulation. It's not that the L'Hopital was wrong, it just didn't help me after the second stage. I just kept on going further and until I went back and tried to reset and see something better.